Good afternoon. I'm just hopping on here for a little bit to give you my Wednesday weekly tip. If you've purchased the Fine Art DSP paper, there's a sheet in there that looks like this. And then this is the garden acetate paper that goes with it, and it's gold on one side, silver on the other. And I didn't realize this until I saw something on Rachel Tessman's site that this goes perfectly with this. You just line it up, and now you can cut it and make some beautiful cards. So let me show you how we're going to cut it. And voila, with the magic of video recording, I cut my paper and here it is. You can kind of see how I cut each section. And now look at all the different cards I can make using these pieces. So what I'm going to do is tonight I'm going to make a bunch of cards, and tomorrow I post the cards that I made. Just a little hint and tip for you on a Wednesday. Hope you have a great evening. Bye.